Is your Windows 10 or Windows 11 PC stuck in airplane mode and won't turn it off? Can't use Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, or connect to the internet? First, press Windows Plus or on your keyboard. Type services.msc and click on OK. Now find and double-click on Radio Management Service. Select Automatic as the startup type. Click on Apply. Then click on OK. Next solution, update the wireless network driver. Now right-click on the Windows Start button. Open Device Manager. Expand Network Adapters. Right-click on your wireless driver. Click on Update Driver. Select Search automatically for drivers. After the scan is complete, click on Close. Again, right-click on your wireless driver. Click on Update Driver. Select Browse My Computer for drivers. Click on Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Select a driver from the list. Click on Next. Wait for the installation to complete. Then click on Close. Finally, right-click on the Windows Start button and restart your PC. That's it. After restarting, the airplane mode issue should be fixed and your Wi-Fi should work normally again. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy Windows tutorials.